Ready, compose? In 3, 2, 1. Poetry headlines. Their vacations almost for year 2023. Dry season troubles rice farmers. Ojeda stresses power of righteous journalism. And Attorney Fernandez transfers the road to success.
Broadcasting live from the city of Manila.
I love the afternoon for Manila. This is Mikaela Morante. I am ready for the reviews in a heartbeat. This is Impulse News. Now for the details. DOAPC surveillance report states that 27,672 dental cases have risen from January to March 2023. According to health officials, there are 94% confirmed dental cases for the past weeks of 2023. Last year, the Department of Health had reported over 100 deaths because of the increasing dental rates. Meanwhile, dry season troubles rice farmers. To give us more info, Gabriel.
Department of Agriculture spokesperson Rex Azules announced the approaching threat of rice complications because of the drought season. It looks announced the production of rice will continue to go downhill if rice farmers do not afford to plant more. The spokesperson Rex Azules also warned consumers regarding the possibility of inflation of prices. Gabriel
Next up, Attorney Fernandez shares personal road to success. Go to Impulse at for the month, or Impulse coming up.
Youth today tends to get exposed to social media, yet they are the most vulnerable people. Social media often delivers fake news which manipulates the truth. Let us always remember that a great journalist ensures a responsive and adaptive digital future through transformative journalism.
We are back. I'm here with you, Mark Hughes. Ojeda stresses power of righteous journalism. Live from Manila National Comprehensive High School, here's Alexa Ernest. Alexa, what is your info?
You're right here at the National Comprehensive High School. Regional schools press conference with RSPC from PDS, where qualifiers from 8 different divisions of Region 12 gathered here to clean their spots for the Nationals. Coronel Mayor Eduardo Ojeda inspires RSPC 2023 delegates as he intensifies the true meaning of a responsible campus journalist.
An instrument of public activism, a creator of public
The behavior of public leader has to why it is fundamental for them to be an instrument of nothing but the truth. Alexa Ines, Max TV.
For our Impulse update, here's the local blog Jumbo and what is the latest Impulse?
At a young age, his father died, and that was when he began to help out his mother by selling food service ice candies, salamin, hot-power, banana cake, and hotcakes in order to sustain the needs of his family. Fernandez now labeled as a child for church took the course of BS Accountancy at Calima Ohio State College before he took law. He passed the bar exams in 2014, and his road to success kept going from then on. After long trials and hardships, he finally became a licensed public lawyer and was announced as the municipal trial court judge of Tublay Ato, Benguet. George Fernandez believes that in spite of the state of someone's life, each and everyone has the right to justice and success. At a young age, his father died.
Wow, what a touching story. John Boy, may I ask, how many siblings does he have?
Mika, he has 8 siblings and he's the youngest of them all. And it's very inspiring to see how he can cope up with the situation at a very young age.
Thank you, John Lloyd. That concludes our Amigos Netflix for this hour. If you wish to stay updated with more, follow Impulse on Twitter and on Facebook. More than what the heart dictates, more than words may say, this has been Ikaala Umarate. In Righteous We Choose, Impulse News.
Sarap.
Okay, time consumed 5 minutes and 51 seconds.
Okay, wait lang.
Ay, sarap. Dinner na wala sila gawin.
Ay, sarap.
Natapos na
Wait,